gate, monitoring me. You think I'm scared? Have you ever seen me running away when I saw you? I don't run because I'm not scared of you. I'm not a criminal. I know I will die. You will die also.
Yes.
But before I die, I will do what God wants me to do. So they know I'm not scared of them. They are the ones who are scared of me. This is why they can talk to me openly. They send a death squad.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please welcome. So today I'm here with the story of Apostle T.F. Chiwenga. Apostle T.F. Chiwenga is a very expressive prophet. Kana mchezia tikada utazabeke in the Bible, there were people who really used to express themselves very freely, the likes of Amos, Hosea, and they were told by God to do so. So Apostle T.F. Chiwenga is coming here explaining kuti there were people who were sent to attack him personally. So I feel like this is very sad when people get to the extent they can't really express themselves freely because this is a free country. But it's a free country, but yeah, in Zimbabwe you need to be very, very careful with the words that you say. You need to be very careful with the things that you express yourself to, because they can use those things against you tomorrow. So he's saying that some people were sent to attack him, some people were sent to kill him, and I want you guys to listen very carefully to him speaking about the whole incident, explaining how things took place, and then we will discuss later after you guys are done listening to Apostle T.F. Chiwenga.
What are you afraid of? As powerful as you are, why can't you meet with me? Why are you so afraid of meeting with me? Why do you send people to sleep at my gate, monitoring me? You think I'm scared? Have you ever seen me running away when I saw you? I don't run because I'm not scared of you. I'm not a criminal. I know I will die. You will die also.
Yes.
But before I die, I will do what God wants me to do. So they know I'm not scared of now. Governor Matesterek. Kuti tife isusu zani chiri kutonga. Zvikasaitika izvozvo, they will account and they will pay. Yes, they will pay. Avawo zvavo vematumba vanotumwa tuma Irand boys totumwa kubagodhu tuchibuda naro munyika utu kutotaurisa izvezvi kuziva kuti twakaprotectwa nezano. So they wanted to trap me. They said, let's meet at the Chiwenga village for us to mediate between you and your elder brother. I said I refuse. Because you are afraid of him. When he comes with his army, he will attack me. You can't defend me. Let's meet at Miku's hotel, at the conference center there. I come with my security, he comes with his security.
Okay.
And they said, who will bring our elders from the village? I said, I have enough vehicles to ferry all of them to come to town. And I can pay for their accommodation expenses if they don't want to come to my house. And I will return them back to the village. And this is not the first time I have done so. When they are sick, I bring over, I fight with another one. If I'm tired, I will tell you I'm tired. Since I'm only fighting on my own,
yes,
give me 2 hours to rest and have some lunch, and we fight again. I told them, kuti muri matanda akaora mese.
Ichi ndicho chimwe chechikonzero chinoita kuti vanhu vasapindirana naApostle T.F. Chiwenga, because munhu asingatendereri kana kuhwanda munhu anotaura chokwadi sezvachiri sekupiwa kwaanenge aita.
Kana vachitya nekuti une army vanotya iwewe. Iwewe wakaita zvawakaita izvo, hauna waunorova. Some of us, we were abused since we were born. And we learned how to defend ourselves from a tender age. Saka zvimwe zvese zvamunenge muchitaura izvo kuzvitaura because makawanda kuseri kwepfuti. Dzamunenge muchiziva kuti ndimi munadzo isi hatina. Ngatigovane yake uone kuti munopamira here. So we are not afraid of anyone. We are thankful to God, but they must also know that the reason why we don't do anything, it is because there are certain rules that we are bound by. We want the Lord to defend us, because I'm not fighting my own cause. And this is what happened.
Yes.
We were in a situation where we could not defend ourselves. You can't fight against the state. And this is what people do not understand, that there are individual interests and then there are state interests. But the people who are pushing individual interests, they use state resources to attack individuals. And they appear to be strong when they are weak. You understand?
Yes.
Zvakaita vamunangagwa zviya zviya, havana kana one mustreet kid wavanorova vaya akawa pasi. He is a weak man. He can't fight with a 15-year-old. He is weak. So kana vachitaura kuti tichakurova.
What really hurts the most is knowing that your relatives are involved, guys. You know what I say, knowing that your own family attack. It hurts a lot, guys. I don't want to lie. Vana vamai vako kana kuti hama dzako dzotumwa kuti dziwewo dzikuattack. No what, guys. I don't want to lie. Comment down below. Comment. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.